This is DC Danton Crow Crusader. It's the 19th of December. Look at our gulls up there. Look at them up there. Aren't they awesome? You won't believe it, but it's not even 3:30 yet in the afternoon, okay? And it's already dark. So, we'll move along here, and first we'll put down our sunflower seeds. There's some people coming with their dogs and everything, but it warmed up to 7. I really didn't think it would make it today, but it did. And it was actually sunny, if you can believe that. So it actually turned out to be a beautiful day. We have still a couple more sunflower seeds here. I don't know what happened to our little babies here, but if they want something, they got it. Could be people were throwing down some things to eat for them. So Georg Schmidt is gone. The terrible murderous janitor is gone. By the way, Seymour flew over my house and was looking for me. He was screeching and whining, and you hear him. I don't know if you can hear him up above. So anyway, that Seymour is too much. Well, I think it was probably a great day for the Christmas market today in Constance. It's the first really nice day that we've had. So, yeah. But anyway, it was a very, very nice day. Started out kind of cold and cloudy, and it turned out to be a really nice day. We'll go a little bit closer to Migros. They're very busy yet. Still quite a lot of people shopping. They don't have any cat food, but we'll put down our nuts here for the crows. I don't see many, but the peanuts down here. Seymour, there are not, I think I have 8 eggs out there. Normally I have like 10. So you better get with it. You better get with it, Seymour, because they'll be coming out here. Let's go down here. Let's go down here. A little bit cleaner. There we go. Get in there, Seymour. What's your egg? 1 egg. Get in there. Get in there, Seymour. Another egg. I hope that was Seymour, but I think he got like 3 eggs. At least. Okay? My goodness. Look, they're eating those grain balls. Careful, guys. Oh my God, he swallowed it whole. Those are not meant to swallow. This is why I cut them in half. I do not want them swallowing those grain balls. Even though they're soft and crumbly, they'll probably crumble on the way down. But I don't want to take that chance. Okay? So, and eggs that are too big, if I see something that feels a little unsafe, I break it in half. I crack all the eggs before I throw them in. It's safer for the gulls. Because even the black-headed gulls will try to swallow something whole. I've got to be really, really careful. Beautiful day. Sunday is wonderful. Sunday is Christmas Eve. It's a Sunday and it's Christmas Eve, so everyone will be really, really tied up. There'll be people out walking if it's a nice day. But the morning feeding should be really great because people will be tied up with their families and cooking and so forth on Christmas Eve in the morning, preparing for Christmas Eve in the evening. So it should be a good day for the birds. It should be a good day. Here comes some ducks. Look at those ducks up above. Look at that. There's like 17, 18, 20 ducks. 20 ducks. Wow. I had about 3/4 of a bag. Grain mixed with seed and so forth. Well, I don't know if I could feed 20 ducks, but you see them flying above? Look at that. Look at those ducks. They may come down here and land. So, and then the seagulls will get out of the way, because they do get out of the way when the ducks come. Anyway, this is DC Danton Crow Crusader. We're going to wait here for a minute and see if we can get our ducks in here. So if the ducks will land, we'll see, or they're just flying. I don't know. I think they want to land. Oh, there's one. There's one duck. The other ducks want to land. We'll see what happens. This is DC Danton Crow Crusader. It's getting dark anyway. Lighting it's getting dark. But I'm going to observe from the car and see what happens. I want to wish you a great Tuesday, and love your birds. Stay safe, and I will see you bright and early tomorrow morning. Here's our little guys here. Let's see, do I have a couple of here's a couple more ducks. More ducks are landing. More ducks are landing. Look at that. Now we have at least 3, 4 ducks, and probably more ducks will land. Oh, there's another one out there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 ducks. Let's see. I do have some cashews. Let's see what we can do here. Let's try to get our little guy here. Come here. Here you go. We got one. We got one. So hard. Let's get him off the street. Let's get him off the street. Let's get him off the street. We got another one. Good boy. Good boy. Don't let those birds get you. Oh, we have a little pigeon here. I think he wants a little sunflower seed. Where's the rest of his flock? I'd like to know that. He's got to go on the field, this little guy. He doesn't know what he's doing. Look at our little pigeon. Oh, he's so cute. I don't know, is he able to eat one of these nuts? I don't think so. Probably not. He got one. Yeah, he's clever. That little crow is clever. Nope. Gosh, the sounds we make are so cute, aren't they? Ah, look at our ducks. I wanted to get our ducks in there, look. There's at least a dozen ducks there. There were more flying, but they may have figured, you know what, it's too crowded. So, they may have figured that. Okay, going to keep these guys off the road. I'm going to shut down now and take a look at our little ducks. Okay, this is DC Danton Crow Crusader. Thank you also for your wonderful, wonderful comments. I appreciate all of them. Thank you so much. This is DC Danton Crow Crusader. Look at our little ducks. Over now, look at the little ducks. I guess they just took something quickly and then left. We'll see you tomorrow.